In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get up to 70% off on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to the online shopping scene, this guide will help you unlock some fantastic deals. Let's jump right into it. First, you're going to want to start by heading over to Amazon.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the web address. Once you're on the home page, keep your eyes peeled for the sign in button, usually located in the top right hand corner. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your email address. If you don't have an Amazon account, now's the perfect time to create one, as having an account will help manage your orders and keep track of deals. After entering your email, click continue, and the next step is to enter your password. Once you're all signed in, you're ready to start navigating towards those savings. Now let's talk about finding those elusive deals. A prime strategy is to keep a lookout for offers in the Amazon warehouse section. This area of Amazon hosts an array of open box and refurbished products often sold at great discounts. Checking this section regularly can yield some surprising finds. Next up, utilizing coupons and discount codes. Amazon frequently offers coupon deals across various product categories. You can find these in the product details or on Amazon's coupons page. Applying these additional discounts at checkout can help save more on already discounted items. Another great piece of advice is to take advantage of special sales events. Big shopping days like Prime Day and Black Friday are renowned for their amazing deals where prices can drop significantly. If you're an Amazon Prime member, this can be especially beneficial, but if you really want to score big, the best method to get up to 70% off is by exploring the Amazon outlet. Start by typing Amazon outlet into your browser's search bar. From the search results, click on the first link. This will take you straight to the Amazon outlet section. Now, what's special about this section is that it features overstocked items that are often sold at amazing discounts. The savings here can sometimes reach up to 70% off the regular price, which is a fantastic way to snag that perfect purchase at a fraction of the cost. Remember, patience is key. Hunting for bargains might take a bit of time, but with these strategies, you're well equipped to make the most out of your shopping experience on Amazon. Happy shopping, and may you find incredible savings along the way.